In this video, I will teach you how to use cardsale app to sell your gift card in 2026. Go and download this application called cardsale. After you download it, open it. It's available on Apple Store and on Play Store. So go and download it. After you download it, open it like this. And one more important thing. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Click on the subscribe button to subscribe right now. Turn on your notification because whenever I drop another video, YouTube is going to notify you. Like this video and also share it for more people to see. And after you finish watching this video, if you have any question, write it in the comment section and I will answer you. Do you understand right now? So after you open this application, it's going to look like this. Click any option down here and it will take you to this interface. You can see login, you can see sign up. Click on sign up and it will look exactly like this. When you click on sign up, it's going to look exactly like this. And you can see email, you can see phone number. You can click on email like this if you want to register with Gmail. And if you want to use phone number, you click on phone number like this. Do you understand right now? So you put your phone number here. Make sure it is an active phone number or active Gmail because you are going to receive code with it. Do you understand right now? Put your Gmail here. And if it is phone number, put it there. Then you can see verification code. Leave it first. Jump to where it says enter your password. Make sure your password starts with capital letter. For example, let's say Godwin. Hard number at the back and any special character like this or like this. Do you understand right now? So write your password like this and confirm your password. Write it here again. Do you understand? And you can see invitation code. This invitation code, the one you are seeing on this screen, use it to register. This is the reason. If you use it to register, they are going to give you a welcome bonus. I think it's 3,000 naira or 5,000 naira. But if you didn't use it, they will not give you any welcome bonus, and they will not reward me as well. They will not give me anything as well. So I will say, please use it so both of us can get benefits. Do you understand right now? So after that, after you put this invitation code, mark this side. You can see by signing up you agree to our privacy policy and terms and conditions. Mark it like this. Then go back to where it says verification code here. Then you can see at the front of it, you can see send. Tap on that send, and immediately you tap on that send, they are going to send code to your Gmail or your phone number, depending on which one you use. Put that code here before it expires. After that, click on sign up down here. Click on sign up and your account will be ready immediately. Do you understand right now? This is how to sign up. Now I'm going to log into my own account. I'll show you step by step how you are going to sell your gift card and how you are going to withdraw your money to your bank accounts. Now let me log in, guys. I have logged in right now and this is my account and you can see my balance is 5,000 naira. Now to sell your gift card, see down here, you can see dashboard, wallet, sell, transaction and setting. Click on sell. Do you understand right now? And it's going to pop up like this automatically. Do you understand? Then choose the type of gift card you want to sell. You can scroll down and scroll up to see the type of gift card you want to sell. Now I'm going to choose Razor Gold for example. Do you understand? And it's going to pop up again. It's telling us to select the region of our gift card. Let's say my gift card is Australia. This is Australia. This is Brazil. This is New Zealand. Do you understand? This is Singapore. But I'm going to use USA as an example. And I'm going to click on physical. Do you understand right now? I'll click on physical. You can see physical card is a gift card that someone purchased at a physical store. While e-code is a gift card that someone purchased on a website online. So they are going to send the code of that gift card to that person's Gmail. That is e-code. Do you understand? Give it physical card is the common one. Do you understand right now? So I'm going to click on fast. Do you understand right now? Then click on OK. Do you understand? Then we are going to enter the value of our gift card, the amount of the gift card you want to sell, $100. Do you understand right now? If it is $200, choose 200. If it is 500, choose 500. And if it is 2 card, let's say this $100 is 2, I will now plus it like this. That means $100, that is 2 cards. Do you understand? But I will use 1 for example. Then the next thing is to enter the code of your gift card here. Just enter the code of your gift card here and click on confirm. Or you can see this box where you say upload image. Click on it and upload the image of your gift card. Let's say this is the image of my gift card like this. I will upload it. And let's say I want to upload another one. I will click on another box and upload again. Then I will click on confirm. And in few seconds, they will fill your card and credit you. This amount will be available in your bank. You can say 106 106,346 naira. It will be available in your balance when you go back home like this. That means your card is successful. And the next thing right now is to add your bank account and withdraw your money. You can see down here, you can see dashboard, you can see wallet. Click on wallet and you can see add bank card here. Click on add bank card. Select the bank you are using, write the name on your bank account and write your account number and click on add bank account, and your account will be added successfully, just like my own. The next thing you are going to do, you go up here where it says total balance, click on withdraw, and you write the amount you want to withdraw here. Click on it and write the amount you want to withdraw. Do you understand? The minimum you can withdraw on this app is 6,000 naira. Do you understand? And when you go down here, you can see swipe to withdraw. You place your finger on this arrow and swipe it down to the right, and it will say successful, and your money will deliver to your bank account sharp. So this is a step-by-step how to use cardsale app to sell your gift card in 2026. Make sure you like this video, share it for more people to see, and also subscribe to this channel for more updates. If you have any question, write it in the comment section, guys, and I will answer you. One love, guys.